Sorry for the disturbance. I have to attend one call. Now, where is we? We are regarding talking about the order and degree. For this equation, our order is 2 and degree is 1. One more example, just not taking too much of time. Just one more example. I thought you can understand easily what is order and degree. If I write d3x by dy cube plus d2y by dx square to the power plus dy by dx to the power 3 plus y equal to something constant. Then we talk about order and degree. Okay, what is the order of this equation? Order of this equation is highest order derivative that we need see here. This is 3. So order of this equation is 3. And what is the degree of this equation? Degree of this equation, we can't see the power of any other derivative. We just see the power of highest order derivative. Highest order derivative having power is only 1. It means the degree of this differential equation is 1. So order is 3 and degree is 1. Okay, then you can easily understand this order and degree of differential equation. Now we discuss first order, first degree differential equation. Means that order is also first and degree is also first. Only the first order, first degree differential equation. Means in first order, first degree differential equation, you seems always first order derivative like this plus something of this plus something of any other constant equal to 0. This seems to be first order, first degree differential equation. Okay, order is also 1, degree is also 1. So now if we are talking about the method to solve first order, first degree differential equation, there are mainly 6 methods. First one is variable separable. Variable separable, as its name, we can separate its variable. Now if we go regarding variables, variables means y, x, constant means constant term like c, like 5 or any other thing. So for variable separable, we can separate the variables, how many variables are there, we can separate these with their derivatives and we can integrate it, we can solve that. Second type of, just I write the name, and today we discuss only variable separable, very simple, very easy method. Then in my next lecture we go more complicated method like homogeneous and linear. So step by step, if you learning with me, you can easily understand and solve any kind of problems. If you face any regarding any problem you can't able to solve, you just post me, you just write me that we don't able to solve these types of problems. I can give you how to solve those problems also. It's very easy. Second one is called homogeneous equation. Homogeneous means first order to first degree equation is same. The equation which are homogeneous equation, first order, first degree, there is one method. Next one is regarding homogeneous, reducible to homogeneous, reducible to homogeneous. Okay, so this is little bit similar to this. First, whatever the equation, if we can able to reduce in the homogeneous equation, then we can reduce that equation in homogeneous form, and then the other method all is same like homogeneous. Fourth one is the linear equation. Very important role in our differential equations. Linear equations are maximum used in the everywhere. You can learn electricity, you can learn physics, you can learn mathematics, you can learn chemistry. Anywhere you can solve these equations for your circuits or for any other things. So this is the practically all equations are used. Linear is maximum anywhere we can use. There is a particular method how can we solve this. And fifth one is similar to linear, that is reducible to linear. to linear equation. Means any equation we can reduce in linear, convert into linear equation, and then the further method is the same. This equation we also known as Bernoulli's equation. So this equation we also known as the Bernoulli's equation, and the last sixth one is the exact differential equation. Exact differential equation. You don't go for higher term. These all types are for first order and first degree. This is sixth one is the exact differential equation, and one and the last is the reducible to exact. Yes, fantastic. I heard this is the most complicated because there are many different types of, for exact we have to many different types of method. We have to learn many things. For reduce, how we can solve reducible to exact. One more thing I have to explain now. Many times this exact equations or reducible to exact equation can be converted into linear or homogeneous equation, and we can apply the solution of homogeneous or linear or maybe variable separable, and we can easily solve all these equations. So there are the all types of first order, first degree differential equation. Just we go through it: variable separable, homogeneous, reducible to homogeneous, linear, reducible to linear, that is called Bernoulli's exact differential equation, and reducible to algebraic. So today we discussed the first method on the most simple, most easy understanding the differential equation. First is the variable separable. As its name, we have to separate the variable and integrate it. Variable and integrate it. For one more thing I have to tell you, for differential equation you have to master in the differentiation also, in the integration also, because whatever you learn in the 11th and 12th and basic CBSE classes, all things are using for solving these kinds of equation. If we don't know, we don't remember the formulas for integration, we don't remember the formulas for differentiation, we can't able to go further, because it's all depend on the integration or differential. Differential equation many times we can use the integration everywhere. So for the first order, first degree, variable separable, I will give you the most simplest example. If I have dy by dx is equal to y by x. We see this is the first order, first degree differential equation. Step 1, separate the variables. Y collect with y, x collect with x. So dy upon y is equal to dx upon x. Now integrate it. So it gives dy by y is what? When we integrate log y is equal to log of x plus c. C we can introduce that the constant of integration, you know, when we integrate anything there is something constant which we deteriorate, so we have to put c at the end, either any sign. So your solution is the log x equal to log y plus c. That is the solution. The most simple solution for the differential equation of first order, first degree. I have some examples for the first order, first degree differential equations. One more I can solve for you if you want. One more we can solve. Then I give you some problem list. You have many problem list in your books also. So I am not going to wasting the time to solving this. If you get any problem, you just mail me, you just type in my site, I can give you the solution easily. Okay. So one more, if we go dy by dx equal to x plus y. So we can easily divide upon dy upon y equal to, this is not plus, this is multiplication, equal to xy. So dy upon y is equal to dxy. Next step, integrate. It is log y, it is x square by 2. So this is log y equal to x square by 2 plus c. Your required solution is this. So now you understand how we solve the variable separable differential equation. Now this is the some list of the problems. First one, we can this exercise regarding u. First one is the dy by dx ln for log x minus y by x equal to 0. We can separate it x and y with dx, y with dy and solve it, integrate it. In this equation, this, all. Last one I can give you the very little practical example how to solve the first order first degree variable separable. This is your current equation for in RL circuit, Ri plus L di by dt equal to V, where R is 10 ohm, L is 3 hours, V is 50 volt, I0 equal to, I0 means the constant 0 at value of 0 is 0. So you can simplify, you can solve it like a numerical. That's all regarding variable separable differential equation. I will come again with my second topic, that is solution of homogeneous equation of first order first degree. That day we cover the homogeneous and reducible to homogeneous linear equation. Okay, thank you and bye bye.